The videos you are actually viewing right now was created using artificial intelligence, AI. Every single one of these videos you're watching right now was created using AI. And I bet a lot of you don't actually even know that this website exists. And I'm going to be showing you how I actually created these AI videos with my smartphone. I mean, of course, you can use your PC, of course, but I created this crazy realistic videos using artificial intelligence. A lot of people actually don't know that AI can actually do so much. You can actually create movies, you can write stories, you can write books, turn all of them into videos, and so many things you can do. And this is super easy. And I'm going to be showing you this website in a very short time. So let us dive into it. Now, this website is actually called Minimax AI. And I'm sure not everybody is familiar with Minimax AI. It's a super AI website actually. So when you go to Minimax AI, like minimax ai.org, what you want to do next, of course, is to click on login. Okay, and when you click on login, what you actually be required is that this is going to pop up translate page. So it's actually a Chinese website, so you have to translate it to be English. All right, and when that is done, it's going to actually change to something like hail you AI, of course. Now, next you want to click on home. And when you click on home, you'll be required to actually, sign up with your Google Mail. So just click on continue on Google, okay? And you'll be required to, select the email. So I'll just be picking one of my emails and I'm going to, click on continue. And when I click on continue, let me just see what's up with it. Now, after clicking continue, you can see login success, okay, meaning I've been able to get into the website. Now, mind you, this is actually hailq.ai. So click on that home button, that's plus sign, and when you click on that plus sign, you'll be required to actually enter the prompt. So let me just change my phone. I'll just type in something very quickly. Maybe let me see, I can just decide to write so imagine a warrior lady. I'm just gonna put, imagine a warrior lady walking with a dragon, okay, in an abandoned city. Let me just quickly write that. Imagine a warrior lady walking with a dragon in an abandoned city. So I'm just going to, click on that, that unit given to me. That's the coin. And when I click on that coin, I'm just going to wait for it to come up. So I'm just going to pause and then play this back. So let me wait for this. It's actually going to roll to 100. Okay, it's going to load to 100. So I'll just pause this video very quickly and then I'll just continue when it's ready. Okay, so I think, okay, paused. All right, this is it now. So you can see, although it actually gave me something, the dragon looks funny. And this is the warrior lady. Anyway, not bad. So let's try something else. Okay, let's try something else. Let me just see what I can do. Let me just cancel this. And I'm going to write, okay, imagine imagine a flying dragon. Don't mind me, I'm actually writing dragon, okay? Imagine a flying dragon, burning, yeah, burning a city. I think that's not bad. Okay, imagine a flying dragon burning a city. So let me just put it, and I'm just going to click on the 30 units of coin given to me. You can also enhance your stuff. Okay, so let me just see what this. Wow, this is not bad. Though at least the dragon is flying and the city is burning. So this is crazy because AI can actually do so much for you. So much for you. Yes, like so much. So I wanted to go to that website, use it, play with the website, see what's up with it, sign up with your Google Mail. It's very easy. Create amazing videos using the Halo AI and so on. Till I come your way. Bye-bye.